In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Aweber. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Aweber. You're looking for the official Aweber website. Before you click, double-check the URL to make sure it's the legitimate site. And look for the secure padlock icon in the address bar. Once you're on the home page, find and click the button that says Get Aweber Free. This takes you to the sign-up options. You can continue with Google for a quick sign-in, or you can enter your name and email address manually. If you choose the manual option, fill in your details and click Start Growing Today. Use an email you'll actually check, since you may receive important onboarding messages. Next, you'll choose a plan. At the time of recording, Aweber offers Plus and Lite with a free trial. Review the plan comparison if you need to, then select the one that fits your needs and click. Start your 14-day trial. A trial gives you room to explore features without committing right away. You'll be prompted to add a payment method. This is standard for most free trials. Aweber indicates you won't be charged until the trial ends, but it's always a good idea to set a reminder to review your plan before the trial period closes. When your details are in, click Start Trial. Now you'll provide some business information. Enter your company name, your website, or a social profile if you don't have a site yet. Select your industry, and indicate whether you've used the platform before. Accurate info helps tailor your setup. Click Continue. Next, add your physical address and click Continue. This is important for email compliance and will appear in your email footers as required by regulations in many regions. You'll then be asked how many email subscribers you already have. Choose the range that best reflects your current list and click Continue. This helps Aweber suggest the right tools and limits for your account. You can select your business goals from options like growing your audience, sending a newsletter, selling products or services online, or driving foot traffic to a physical store. Pick what applies and click Continue or Skip if you'd prefer to decide later. Finally, confirm any tools you already use, such as Facebook, WordPress, Canva, PayPal, or Shopify. This helps surface relevant integrations. Click Continue or Skip if you want to set this up later. You should now see your Aweber dashboard, and you're ready to start using the platform. From here, you can explore creating your first list, browsing templates, and reviewing your settings so everything is aligned with your goals. That's it. You're set up and ready to go.